I'm going to show you how to use the PowerPoint selection pane. This is new to PowerPoint 2013 and it's a handy tool when you're ordering your slides. So I've already got a slide set up with a couple pictures, a graphic there, some text, and a title. But you see the picture is covering some of the text, so is this blue box. So I want to show you how to fix all that. So on your Home tab, go to Select, click on Selection Pane, and over here on the right, it will open up the selection pane. You can go through and click each item on the slide, and you'll see that the little handles pop up to show you that you're selecting that specific item on the slide, so you know what you're doing. You can hide by clicking the little eye thing there. You can rename, like that. Okay, you can use, now the order in here is bottom to top. It's layers, like layers of a cake. So if you don't want this picture as the top layer, if you want it underneath the text box, you can click the down arrow till it goes behind the text box. So you'll see the content placeholder, which is the text, and then that picture is now at the bottom. So everything else is on top of it. You can also click and drag items like that up and down. You can show all, hide all. Now, you see this blue box is covering this text. So what we can do is click on the placeholder, drag it up above the rectangle, and there it is. Now you'll see this text box is filled with white. The background is white. So if you don't want the text box white to go, you want it to use it to cover the picture, but you may want your text to just show up over the blue and not the white background. So I'm going to show you, it's a little trick I'll show you how to do with the fill color to make this look better. So go ahead and close the selection pane, so give yourself some more room. Make sure your text box is selected. Go to Shape Fill, go to Gradient, and click on More Gradients. So over here on the right again, the Format Shape option box will come up. So what you want to do is change your fill to a gradient fill. You want linear, and the direction you want top and bottom. Okay? So it's going to give you a standard gradient. What you want to do is click on each one of these little colors in the middle and delete them. Remove the gradient stops. Okay, so you see your bottom is white, and as you drag it, you can see the gradient changes. So what you want to do is make that white transparent. So you click to make sure this is selected, you'll see the little orange highlight around that color stop. And you want to make that completely transparent. Okay? Now, click on the other one, the blue, and you can go to color, change that to white. So you see it's a white background now. Now if you drag this really close to the other one, you can see it starts to cover, and you adjust these until you make that to where it's kind of a hard line. They're just right on top of each other. So you see this right here is filled with white down to here, and then because they're so close together, the gradient, it just breaks to the other color, and the other color is transparent. So you see Now your text will overlap this. So let's deselect that. Now, I hope this tutorial helped you out.